In today's digital music landscape, the right laptop can be the difference between seamless inspiration and frustrating delay. In this guide, we're spotlighting 5 of the best laptops for music production in 2025, from studio-bound beasts to mobile creativity hubs. The ROG Strix Scar 16 isn't just a gaming beast, it's a serious contender for high-end music production. With a 14th Gen Intel Core Ultra 9275HX processor and a whopping 32GB DDR5 RAM expandable to 64GB, it's built to handle massive DAW sessions, orchestral libraries, and real-time plug-in chains without breaking a sweat. The 2TB PCIe 4.0 SSD offers lightning-fast load times and ample space for sample packs, stems, and project backups. Its 16-inch 2.5K Nebula HDR mini LED display delivers stunning clarity and brightness, ideal for visualizing complex arrangements or syncing audio to video. The RTX 5090 GPU is overkill for pure audio work, but if your workflow includes video editing, 3D visuals, or live show visuals, it's a game changer. Advanced cooling with vapor chamber and tri-fan tech ensures sustained performance during long studio sessions. While it's heavier and more power-hungry than Ultrabooks, it's a dream machine for hybrid creators who need raw power, upgrade flexibility, and a display that rivals pro monitors. If your studio setup demands elite specs and future-proofing, the Scar 16 is hard to beat. If your music production workflow involves heavy sessions, multiple VSTs, and simultaneous visual editing, the Dell XPS 9730 brings true desktop-class performance to a portable form. Powered by a 13th Gen Intel Core i9 71370H, paired with 16GB DDR5 RAM and a roomy 1TB SSD, it offers ample bandwidth for DAWs like Pro Tools, Cubase, or FL Studio. The inclusion of an RTX 4050 GPU, while not essential for audio tasks, is helpful for multimedia producers, working with video, motion graphics, or live performance visuals. The 17-inch FHD Plus display provides immersive screen space, crucial for arranging timelines, mixing tracks, or opening multiple plug-in interfaces. Windows 11 Pro ensures driver compatibility and seamless software integration across production tools. However, it's hefty and less mobile, making it more suitable as a fixed studio machine rather than an on-the-go companion. If your workflow leans toward layered instrumentals, orchestral arrangements, or hybrid audio-visual content, the XPS 9730 holds up without breaking a sweat. The ASUS Zenbook 14X OLED is a compact yet robust option for producers who value mobility without compromising on horsepower. Equipped with a 13th Gen Intel Core i71370H, 16GB RAM, and 1TB PCIe SSD, it efficiently runs DAWs such as Logic, via Boot Camp, Ableton Live, or Reaper, while keeping your sample libraries close at hand. The standout feature is its 14.5-inch WQXGA OLED touchscreen, bringing vibrance and clarity to waveform editing, plug-in visuals, and even color grading for music videos. Thunderbolt support enables fast transfers and seamless connection to audio interfaces, MIDI controllers, and external drives. With its slim form factor and efficient thermal profile, it's ideal for working in cafes, rehearsal spaces, or while traveling. However, the OLED panel, while stunning, may shift color perception under high brightness, something to consider when doing visual work. Overall, the Zenbook 14X strikes a smart balance between style and substance, tailored for creators working between studio and stage. For those deep in the Apple ecosystem, the 2023 MacBook Pro with M3 Pro chip represents a polished, high-efficiency tool for creative professionals. Boasting an 11-core CPU and 14-core GPU within Apple's unified architecture, this system delivers low-latency audio processing and rapid rendering speeds for dense Logic Pro sessions or Final Cut edits. The 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display is not just bright, it's studio accurate, offering high dynamic range and color fidelity that's perfect for mastering or music video production. 18GB of unified memory, though non-expandable, works cohesively across the entire system, making multitasking between plugins, sample libraries, and video editing smooth and snappy. The SSD clocks in at 512GB, which may feel limiting for those handling orchestral libraries or extensive sample packs, so an external Thunderbolt SSD is a must. macOS optimization means you're less likely to encounter driver issues or CPU spikes during recording. If your workflow is built around Logic Pro, Mainstage, or Final Cut, this MacBook offers unmatched synergy. The Surface Pro 9 blends the convenience of a tablet with the utility of a laptop, making it an interesting pick for mobile producers, live performers, or anyone building modular setups. Powered by a 12th Gen Intel Core i7 and 16GB RAM, it capably handles lean DAWs like Reaper, Bitwig, or Reason, especially for composing, sketching ideas, or light mixing tasks. The 13-inch touchscreen adds a tactile layer to production, ideal for quick edits, drawing automation curves, or using on-screen synth controls. Windows 11 pairs neatly with Microsoft Copilot, offering useful AI-powered tools to speed up repetitive tasks or script automation workflows. The 256GB SSD is where limitations show. Audio production requires significant disk space, so pairing with a fast external SSD or cloud storage is a necessity. Its lightweight design makes it perfect for gig setups, field recording, or musicians who switch contexts frequently. While not built for full-scale studio mixing, the Surface Pro 9 provides flexibility for ideation and performance. Each laptop on this list hits a different sweet spot, whether it's raw processing power, ecosystem synergy, or agile portability. As a music producer, your setup should amplify your creativity, not bottleneck it. So whether you're dropping synth-heavy tracks or mastering your next EP, invest in a machine that works as hard as you do. Found the right fit for your workflow? Let me know in the comments or share what you're running in your own rig.